If you're a homeowner in Orangeburg, you know how important it is to keep your home comfortable year-round, especially with the hot, humid summers and chilly winters we often experience. One of the most overlooked yet essential upgrades that can make a huge difference in your home's comfort and energy costs is replacing old windows with energy-efficient ones. But how do you know when it's time? Let's take a look at some clear signs that your windows might be costing you more than they should. Your energy bills keep climbing. Have you noticed a steady increase in your heating and cooling bills? Older windows, especially single-pane or poorly insulated ones, allow indoor air to escape and outdoor air to sneak in. This means your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a consistent temperature, raising your monthly energy costs. Energy-efficient windows are designed with advanced insulation technologies like double or triple panes and low-E coatings to keep your home's interior temperature stable. You feel drafts near your window. Stand near your windows on a windy day. Do you feel a slight breeze or temperature change, even when the windows are closed? That's a red flag. Drafty windows are a major indicator that the seals around your windows have worn out or the frames have warped. Energy-efficient windows are built with tight seals and advanced materials that help eliminate drafts and air leaks. Condensation or fog between window pane. Condensation on the inside or between the panes of glass usually means the window's seal has failed. This allows moisture to seep into the space between panes, reducing the insulating effectiveness of the window. Once the seal is compromised, the window is no longer energy efficient. Replacing it with a modern, energy-saving version will restore both performance and clarity. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking windows. If your windows are hard to open or don't close and lock properly, that's more than just a minor annoyance. It can be a sign of frame deterioration or swelling due to weather exposure. Not only does this affect home security, but it also impacts insulation. New energy-efficient windows operate smoothly and are built with materials that resist warping and corrosion, even in Orangeburg's varying climate conditions. Your home is uncomfortably hot or cold. Inconsistent temperatures from room to room can often be traced back to inefficient windows. Older windows simply can't block out the summer heat or hold in warmth during the winter the way new energy-efficient ones can. If your thermostat is working overtime just to maintain a livable environment, your windows may be to blame. Your windows look outdated or worn. While performance is key, aesthetics matter too. Faded, cracked, or outdated windows can negatively affect your home's curb appeal and overall value. Energy-efficient windows come in a wide range of styles and finishes, so you can improve both function and appearance in one go. Perfect if you're considering selling your home in the near future. Time to make the switch? Upgrading to energy-efficient windows in Orangeburg isn't just about reducing your energy bill, though that's a great bonus. It's about making your home more comfortable, increasing its value, and contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. If you've noticed any of the signs above, now may be the perfect time to explore your window replacement options. Local window experts in Orangeburg can help you assess your current windows and guide you toward solutions that fit your home, style, and budget. Don't wait until your utility bills spike or your windows stop functioning altogether. Make the smart switch today.